Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the basics are ready, Windows updated, and you are signed in. Once done, open Start, search Windows Security and choose Virus and Threat Protection. Make sure real-time protection is on. This lets Defender scan in the background. Next, scroll to Scan Options and pick a quick scan to validate baseline health. This confirms Defender runs correctly before deeper actions. If components are disabled, re-enable them now so subsequent steps apply to an active protection service. Once the quick scan completes, you move into deeper checks. Select Full Scan or Microsoft Defender Offline for stubborn malware. Offline mode restarts and scans before Windows loads. Next, open Virus and Threat Protection settings and enable cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission. This speeds detection and sharing. Then review controlled folder access and set protected folders. Add exclusions only when you know a file is safe. These steps harden detection and reduce false positives without sacrificing coverage. You finish by validating changes and setting maintenance. Open protection history to confirm threats were handled and schedule regular scans using Task Scheduler or Windows Security's periodic scan settings. Make sure automatic sample submission and cloud protection remain enabled so Defender updates adapt to threats. If Defender fails to start or shows errors, run the Windows Security Troubleshooter and, if needed, reset Defender via PowerShell commands. This often repairs service registration. One tip: reboot after fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.